just wanted to summarize some of the things that I've heard here today, because what we all do know is that in this country, one of the first things that these guys over here to the side said, using their freedom of speech, their First Amendment rights, one of the things they said was, look, y'all don't have a lot of black people over there, so what does that tell you about the black community? That tells you that they don't care. But what we know is the truth. We know that we live in a society that has produced social consciousness that says that we don't matter. And when you push that kind of consciousness out to our kids, out to the elders, out to our organizations and our communities, then you are going to be afraid to say that your life matters, because you're going against the status quo. When people see us out here and they don't see our leaders standing with us, guess what? That gives them the impression that we're the bad guys. Sometimes our leaders have to do what they got to do on their side, and we got to be the bad guys. I don't care about that. What we got to realize is that we have the same goals. We have the same goals. So regardless of our methodology and how to get the fuck there, we got to go. Because we can't stand here no more. We can't stand here no more. Our children cannot take this. It's not fair. How dare we accept the opportunity to let them inherit this shit? How dare we accept the opportunity to let them think that is cool? How dare we accept the opportunity to let them be embarrassed to say Black Lives Matter? I know children that won't say it. I know babies that won't wear the shirt. And it's because people in their community that are decent, that have respectable politics, are staying away from us because they're afraid. I understand that. When I saw Dr. King as a kid on the movies getting fucked up by dogs and water hoses while he was standing there respectable, holding on to his Bible, I was afraid. But I believed in that dream, right? And so at some point, you turn into an adult and you understand that fear is false evidence always realized. Fear is nothing. It's never been a factor. Your reality is the factor. Whatever you are able to do, whatever's possible in your mind, that's the reality of the situation. And that's what we need. We need that. We need that. We need it. We need it. We're not out here because we give a fuck about being seen. I hate my face everywhere. I hate it. I hate seeing myself on the news. I hate it. I hate that my brothers and sisters are afraid of me. I hate that. I hate when my nephews come up and say, Auntie, I saw you on TV. I hate it. I'm humiliating myself because I love my community. So fuck what y'all saying. Fuck what they saying. We gotta stand together. And you want something different, it's gonna take you getting there. All of us together. I'm gonna let my sister Jamila talk to y'all. Y'all know what I expect from you. Stand together. Stay together. Stand together. Stay together.